world of technology is changing rapidly, and with the introduction of digitalization in the monetary system, the digital currencies and NFTs have become more popular than ever. Vast amounts of platforms provide crypto investing, crypto trading, and crypto mining options, but only a few of them are the ones you can rely on. Many users suffer from fraud or get very low returns despite their huge capital investment. What if there exists a platform which is not only trustable, but also provides a huge return to your investment? Welcome to TRX Now, a legitimate cloud Tron mining platform that ensures high investment return and provides you opportunity to earn without investment. TRX Now provides safe and stable mining, and with DeFi technology, ensures high earning with low capital. To start earning unlimited Trons, you need to go to www.TRXNOW.VIP first and register an account. On the top right corner of the homepage, click on Sign Up. Enter the necessary details such as mobile number, password, invitation code, and CAPTCHA, and click on Sign Up. After you complete your registration process, use the credential to log into the site. However, to start earning, you need to recharge your account first and activate it. A minimum deposit of 5 TRX is required for activating your account, which will open the withdrawal function too. Click on Deposit on the home page. There are two types of account that you can choose to invest in: basic and promotional accounts. For a basic account, fund from 5 TRX to 30,000 TRX and withdraw 3% every day. Top up to 30,001 TRX to 100,000 TRX for 3.5% daily withdrawal. Top up to 100,001 TRX to 200,000 TRX for 4% daily withdrawal. Top up to 200,001 TRX to 500,000 TRX for 5% daily withdrawal. Top up to 500,001 TRX to 1 million TRX for 6% daily withdrawal. Top up to 1,000,001 TRX to 2 million TRX for 7% daily withdrawal. Top up to 2,000,001 TRX to 5 million TRX for 8% daily withdrawal. Recharge more than 5,000,001 TRX for 10% daily withdrawal. The higher the deposit amount, the higher the rate of return. Similarly, when you invest in the promotion account, you'll receive income according to different cycles and return the principal and income upon maturity. Click on the account type you want to invest in. A TRX address will appear. Copy that TRX address. This address is where you will deposit your Trons. Open your digital wallet, go to the transfer section, choose TRX as your choice of currency, enter the transfer quantity, and follow the on-screen process to complete the transaction. After you have done it, come back to the website and click on Recharge Completed. Now, wait for a few minutes and refresh the page. Your deposit TRX will be seen in your balance. TRX Now allows you to earn without capital. If you promote the platform, TRX Now is giving rich rewards for the recommendation on different levels. To get your invitation link, click on Share and copy the link shown on your screen. Every time your level 1 deposits, you can get a 13% commission. When your level 2 deposits, you get a 5% commission. When your level 3 deposits, you get a 2% commission. Bonuses can be withdrawn immediately and unlimitedly. After your successful deposit, your account will be activated and you'll be able to perform a withdrawal function. Now, to withdraw your earnings, click on Withdrawal on the homepage. Select an account from which you want to withdraw funds. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the address of your digital wallet now. Enter your security password and press the Confirm button. The withdrawal amount will be sent to your wallet within a few minutes. This is the simple way to invest and earn a lot of stable income from TRX Now. And you can refer and earn without capital too. So what are you waiting for? Visit www.trxnow.VIP and start investing today.